Hello. I want to pack. I'm going somewhere. Pack with me, okay? For a journey. See you. Oh, yeah, let's go.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours.
Thank you for packing with me. I finished packing. I am very grateful. Thank you, my fans. Thank you for following me. Please share my videos. Share these videos. Let's go. I'm done preparing. I am done preparing. Sometimes my simple nature dey simple me. I hope you're not learning English from my channel. So I'm done preparing, and this is the simple me. I packed my hair up. I held it with this band. This my everyday cap. I use it a lot because it covers my face from sunlight. You understand? It covers my face from sunlight. So I'm always on this cap. That is if I'm putting on clothes that need cap. This is the cap I always use, because see, this part of it is long. So it covers my face very well from sunlight. Yeah, this is my outfit. I don't know if you can see. Yes, this is what I'm wearing. See me. Yeah, I have my Apple Watch. And let me use this opportunity to answer the people that ask me, you don't wear earring, you don't wear necklace, you are just there. I am not there. I am not even there. See, I am not a fashion person, a fashionable person. I am this person that if I see clothes I like, I will buy and wear, whether it has a name or it does not have a name. And sometimes I wear and they will be like, this one is this. I say, because when I was buying it, I didn't know the name. I didn't know it has a name. So that is it. Handbag, the same thing. I have no brand. When it comes to wear, no brand. I wear whatever I like. For earring and neck and necklace, I was brought up without them. Okay? That is where it started. And I grew up without them. And they didn't add anything to me. They didn't remove anything from me. So I don't see it as a necessity. Okay? So with church or without church, it's not my thing. I dress up, I wear clothes, cream, I rub cream. You understand that one? I will buy cream, rub my cream. Powder too, sometimes I will not remember. It's on the road. I will remember, promise, you do use powder. Oh. And it's gone for the day. Another day I remember, you see me, I rub powder. I don't even have a name of powder. Anyone I see that I just rub. It was even recently I noticed that different colors has different powder. Just like today, you see now, I didn't rub powder. I didn't remember, and I've packed my bag. So I won't, because of powder, and be opening bag and all that. So today, I won't rub. That is it. That is my life. Okay? Remember, I am still on You Promise, the happiness minister. Always be happy. Our circumstances do not determine our mood. See you in the next video. Bye.